Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are doing a semi-quick makeup look, more of an everyday type makeup look. Honestly, I don't really have like a set everyday makeup look. It totally varies from day to day, just depending on my mood, depending on how much I feel like playing with makeup. There really is no like formula for an everyday makeup look for me. So I'm just gonna do my makeup. Today's a pretty regular day for me, so I wanted to film this video and just kind of show you what an everyday makeup look might look for me. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe if you enjoy what you see today, and let's get right into it. All right, so I just applied my serum. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer. This is the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I'm going to apply some eye cream. This is the MAC Fast Response Eye Cream. You guys saw my most recent video showing my everyday makeup look. I'm gonna be using makeup from that drawer to do today's look. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it below. Basically, it's all the makeup that I'm just currently using every day, trying to get some use out of. I'm gonna take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is a Soft Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Primer from Charlotte Tilbury. This just adds like a glow component. I really have been into doing this every day, adding like a glowy primer before I go in with my foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to be using a mix of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr. I have shade 235 and then MAC Waterweight foundation. This is shade NW30. I'm going to go ahead and apply some brows. This is the Precisely My Brow in shade number 3.75. I'm gonna just probably speed through this because we know how brows are. This is the Hoolah bronzer by Benefit. I do like to go in with bronzer first because this just really ties the look together for me. So this is going to be just like the first color that we put in our crease. So from the chocolate bar palette, I'm going to go in with this deeper brown right here. So I'm going back and forth between this shade and this one just to warm up the whole eye. I'm going over the crease, I'm going over the lid, just kind of putting this all over the place because this is the only thing that we're putting on our eyes today. Taking some black liquid liner to like hide where the lash band is going to be, so I'm going in with some liner. These lashes, I believe they're in the style InstaFamous by Beauty Creations. I'm taking a really small angled brush and just some black matte eyeshadow. I like to go in with black shadow just to kind of smudge out the liner so it doesn't have to look so perfect, you know? I'm taking the same foundation, the Fenty Pro Filtr, and mixing it with the NW30 MAC Waterweight. We're using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in shade Deep Espresso. This is gonna be our cream contour. Concealer, we're gonna use Maybelline Fit Me. I've got shade 25 and shade 10. I'm just gonna do a mix of both of these shades to highlight and conceal. This concealer, to me, it blends very, very well. But I like to just do one side at a time because I don't like when it gets dry. We're gonna set the face using this translucent powder from Airspun. This is the translucent extra coverage. And I'm gonna use this to set the whole face. This is my e.l.f. bronzer. This is in the shade Forever Sunkissed. Just to kind of give me a little bit of a light bronze. All right, so now to contour, I'm gonna use Blunt by MAC. You guys, I used to freaking love this, and honestly, I just stopped using it for some reason. But it's so freaking good. It's so good. Like, just look at that. So I'm gonna use the Airspun powder to set under my eyes. I totally forgot that I wanted to use this Marc Jacobs powder, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just kind of dust it all over. I'm gonna use my MAC Pinch Me. You know what? No, I'm gonna use Colourpop Super Shock Cheek blush in the shade Tasty. I've been loving this blush. It's been so long since I've used this like on my channel, so let's use it. First one we're gonna go in with is Soft and Gentle by MAC. Gold Digger from Artist Couture. This is a diamond glow powder. I'm gonna go over top of that. Sometimes at the end of my makeup application, I'll go in with my brow pencil just to make sure that everything still looks nice and defined. I'm gonna take this pencil from Marc Jacobs. This is in the shade Fine Wine, so it's a bit of like a burgundy color. Now we can smudge out the lower lash line. I'm just gonna take a mix of the colors that we put in the crease. Little mascara on the lower lashes. This is Maybelline Full and Soft. Lining my lips today with Cher by Gerard Cosmetics. I love this when I'm at home and I'm not going anywhere because it is more of a creamy liner and it doesn't do well with a mask. For today's lip, I'm using Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in the shade Chic Got Real. This is one of my favorite drugstore liquid lipstick formulas, and this color is like so bomb. Especially with this more of like a smoky type eye, I really want to brighten up the look with the lip. This formula, something about this, the High Shine lipstick, it's so smooth, so creamy, so comfortable. Very last thing I'm doing is setting my makeup. So first I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And then I'm taking my Milani Make It Last, the matte charcoal setting spray. You guys, this is so good. Like, when I use my Urban Decay, I really am oily by like the end of the day, in the evening, nighttime. This, I'm not oily. It's like magic. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up this makeup look. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed how it came out. Honestly, I've been so into putting my makeup on every day just because it really gives me the chance to play with makeup that I don't normally play with, and having this everyday makeup drawer has been the smartest thing that I've ever done. And honestly, I hate that I haven't done it sooner, but it's fine. We're here now and I'm enjoying it. If you guys enjoyed this look today, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.